Question number 5. The ball is kicked upwards at an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal ground. So this is the ground. You are kicking it here like this. This is your angle 45 degrees. Okay. After a short flight, the ball returns to the ground. Okay, it returns to the ground. It may be assumed that air resistance is negligible. Okay. What is never zero? Never zero during the flight of the ball. Okay, according to me, it should be the acceleration due to gravity, which should be always be the same. Okay, acting downwards. Always acting downwards. Do we have this option? Let us look at it. A horizontal component of the ball's acceleration. There is no horizontal component because air resistance is zero, so you do not have this. Horizontal component of the ball's velocity. Now you see when you throw it here, this is your ball's velocity u. So this is your horizontal component of ball's velocity and this is your vertical component of ball's velocity. So what happens over here? This always remains a constant, but this keeps on varying over here, right? Okay, vertical component keeps on changing, but horizontal component never changes. So this could be one of the answers. Vertical component of ball's momentum, no. Vertical component of ball's velocity, no, it keeps on changing. When ball's velocity changes, definitely its momentum also changes because m into v. So B is the right answer.